I'm so excited to see what's to come tomorrow.
Well, doing a little prepping for the storm tomorrow. Gluing the, going around and gluing up the edges of my muck boots. I've had these muck boots for, I don't know, heck, since college, so at least 10 years. And I haven't worn them much in the past few years, but I've noticed that here around the edges, they separate a little bit. So just gluing them up to make sure I've got nice dry feet. There's nothing worse than being out in the cold and getting wet freaking feet. So I have this Aquaseal Plus SR shoe repair adhesive. Last night I did my hiking boots. Tonight I'm doing snow boots. Yes, I probably should have done these last night so they had extra time to dry, but things don't always work out perfect. It's getting done anyway. You know, it's really peaceful being up here doing this. I hear nothing other than the sound of my heater going. Look out the window, I can see the lights from the city a couple miles down away, down the mountain. Just the calm before the storm.